My name is Zoe Morrison, and I'm a social media producer. I'm located in Salem, Oregon. I create entry-level explainer videos that help you reach a large audience. Using tools like still imagery, actual video, snippets, slides, audio, I can create an entry-level explainer video that helps you be more productive with your clients. If you're relaying the same information day after day, you need an explainer video. And I recommend a series of videos that are posted onto your YouTube channel. I can help you set that up, and I want you to be the expert and flaunt your expertise. These videos are capable of being posted on your webpage and can be used in a variety of other social media platforms, including Instagram, Pinterest, Google, and within blog and newsletter content. And this content is SEO friendly, which means that when people are looking for specific topics, you will come up in the search engine if these are things that people are searching for. I can provide subscription services, and I'm available as a consultant. To learn more about entry-level video production, my name is Zoe Morrison. I'm a social media producer located in Salem, Oregon. My phone number is 541-224-7715.